Hey Siri, what should everyone do while watching my video?
Hit the subscribe button and the bell next to AJ170's name so you never miss a video.
Hey guys, what is up? This is AJ170, and today guys, I'm going to be bringing you yet another brand new AJ170 exclusive video. Now, as far as I know, no one else has made a video on this feature within the app. Now, of course, everybody has made videos on this app. It is the new Playbox. I mean, I've made videos on this probably almost over 2 years ago. I've made videos on how to get this app, so it's nothing that's brand new. It is just a new feature that was added within one of the recent updates that they have done. Now, what this feature allows you to do is actually stream whatever video you're trying to watch, whether if it's a movie or if it's a TV show or an anime, whatever it may be. You can stream it from your phone over to your Xbox One, PS4, or your Roku. I know for a fact those three work. Now, I've read online that it does work on the Xbox 360 and the PS3, but I did not test that. Now, there is one little thing about the Roku that I have to talk to you guys about. Now, I have a Roku TV, where the TV has Roku built into it, and I also have a Roku Express. Now, in the Roku Express, in order to get this to work on the Roku Express, I actually had to unplug the Roku, plug it back in, and then it worked just as it should. But if I already had the Roku on, I was already watching Hulu, Netflix, YouTube, whatever it may be, it just does not come up as one of the options to select it as a stream. And another cool thing about this is it's not fully loaded. It doesn't load on your phone, and then it loads, and then that stream loads onto your whatever device you're using. It slows your internet down. What I believe this does is it'll actually load the URL link on just the one device, because I can fully turn off my phone, disconnect it from the internet as soon as it starts playing on my actual device I'm trying to stream it on, and it works perfectly fine. Now, in this video, I will be giving out some free codes for the VIP version of the new MediaBox, also known as Playbox HD. I'll be giving away 2 codes inside this video. They will just randomly show up on the screen. First come, first serve. That's for my notification squad right there, for you guys being as loyal as you guys are, for waiting over a month for me to upload a new video. And then I'll be doing more of a fair one that you actually have to enter in and do the whole thing about subscribing and following and all that other good stuff. You guys will have to do that too, and those are for 3 more codes. These codes are good for 1 full year. I believe that's like 365 days. I might be wrong about that, but yeah. Oh, I also have Real D-Bird, which I did use to play one of the movies, which you guys can also buy yourself. I recommend just going with the VIP, and that's about it. The Real D-Bird's good for TV shows, but VIP, they don't have any TV shows on VIP, unfortunately. But yeah, that's going to be just about it for this super long intro. So can we get 170 likes? Also, if you guys are new, support the 170 and subscribe. So with all that said, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm clearly on my iPhone right now. And now, first off, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to download the actual MediaBox HD app, also known as the new Playbox. So here's the app right here, pretty simple, straightforward app too. You will get an error here and there, just go ahead, click OK, and then try reloading. It's no big deal. You guys want to go to this link right here, click on that download button, and then click on MediaBoxHD.net version 2.3.2. Go ahead, click install. Let's pretend I just did that, and once it's fully installed, go ahead, go to General, go to Profile Device Management, and then scroll down to the Enterprise app, and then click Trust on it. Pretty simple, guys. And then once that's done, go ahead and open it up. I'm not going to update mine because I don't feel like signing into everything again. Of course, here's me showing you that I do have VIP on this, and again, here is one random VIP code up on the screen right now. The other one will show up randomly later on down the line, guys. So, now that I've shown you guys how to download the app, now I'm going to show you how to actually stream it over to your Roku or your Xbox One. I didn't feel like setting up my PS4 because it is jailbroken. I'd have to install a couple of apps to do it, and it was just too much work for me. I'm lazy. But yeah, here it is right here. First off, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do it on your Roku. So I'm going to go ahead and find a movie to play. Let's just do Deadpool. That's an amazing movie. I love Deadpool 1 and 2. And you see that little square in the middle of the screen, kind of almost in the middle? Go ahead, click on that, and you guys will see your DLNA supported devices right there. So go ahead, I'm going to click on Roku TV. For you guys, it may be Roku Express or whatever. So as you see, I clicked on it right there. And then now what I'm going to want to do is you're going to want to actually scroll down until you see that little play button. Click on that play button. And right here are the real D-Bird streams I have. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the VIP stream just for the sake of this video. As you see, go ahead, click on that. It'll show that little screen right there. And then after a few seconds, your movie will automatically load and start playing. And cool enough, you can actually fully turn your device off and it will still be perfectly fine. Now, if you click that X in the top left-hand corner of the screen, it will close out of the movie. Now, for copyright issues, I am going to have to close out of the movie, guys, and you already know that. So now let's go ahead and I'm going to show you guys it over on the Xbox. It is the same exact process, but the Xbox has a little bit of, a lot of the times when you go to play something on there, you will have to click the play button on your actual Xbox One controller. Now, I was having a little bit of a trouble trying to get this to initially start. What I ended up having to do is I had to restart my movies and TV app. I don't know what was up with that. So again, we're going to click on that little box. I'm going to select Xbox One. I'm going to click on the play button. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on the stream. It's automatically going to start playing it. And as you guys can see, it is actually not playing it. That's because I ran into a small random problem to where I had to restart my movies and TV app. So I'm going to go ahead and skip to where I did that. Alright, so I am now currently restarting the movies and TV app. Now I'm going to pull my phone back up, and we're going to try streaming this again. I'm going to go ahead and reconnect it to my Xbox again, just to make sure this is going to work perfectly. Click on the play button, click on a stream, and there we go. Now right there, I believe the side of my hand actually clicked on the stream. I don't know what was up with that. I tried clicking it with my thumb, but my thumb didn't hit. I believe the side of my palm did. As you can see, it's asking me to hit the play button off of my actual Xbox One controller. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up my Xbox One controller. Here it is right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and click A to start playing it. And as you guys can see, it is playing it right here. Simple as that, guys. Bada bing, bada boom. You're already watching movies. It's literally that simple, guys. My parents are even doing it. It's extremely easy to do. So, yeah. That's going to be basically just about it for this video, guys. Do hope you guys enjoyed this video. And since you guys stayed all the way to the end of this video, here is the last code on the screen right now. But yeah, that's going to be just about it for this video, guys. This is AJ170 signing out. See you guys next time.